barring Gambhir and Dhoni.
Absolutely. Absolutely, Anand. When you're chasing 236 and you bat out 50 overs, you would expect this Indian batting lineup to get you home. But that did not happen. A bit of batting collapse there. Ravindra Jadeja, R. Ashwin getting some runs, but again, he wasn't consistent enough. There was Vinay Kumar. Of course, big question over Rohit Sharma and Suresh Raina. Gautam Gambhir once again missing out on their 100, but then he set the platform up. Sachin Tendulkar out for 15. But clearly, the middle order collapsing apart from MS Dhoni, R. Ashwin sort of, helping MS Dhoni at the other end. Irfan Pathan getting that 6, but that run out, and of course Vinay Kumar's run out. So maybe there was a feeling that it was left a little too late for India. And when you're chasing 236 and 50 overs for this batting lineup, it should have been achievable. Maybe there was lack of intensity in the middle order batsmen. Maybe they were not batting as per plan or as per strategy, and they were just coming out and hitting some strokes. So that's something that Team India would worry about. However, the fact at this point of time would be pleasing is that they managed to get 1 point on that board, and they're not on the losing side. So that's a good sign, but clearly a lot of improvement for Team India to be done before they go to Brisbane and they play a couple of one-dayers. But
yes, Rohit Sharma also getting run out, but Suresh Raina going down leg and getting out that in the manner which he got out. Virat Kohli getting a start and then getting out. Sachin Tendulkar, it's a cause for worry, isn't it? Because he's coming close to about 30 innings now that he's gone without 100 across all formats of the game, and that is something which is going to be worrying because his scoring rate is also petering down. There are spurts where he's getting starts, but he's not converting them into big knocks. And today also he got out at 15.
Absolutely. Now, plenty of worry there. Sachin Tendulkar at the top of the order. You would expect when India is chasing down Sachin Tendulkar to come out and bat freely. However, he getting out on 15. And the impending 100, the wait continues for that. But Suresh Raina, the way he has been getting out, now, time and again in the press conferences, we are hearing that Rohit Sharma and Suresh Raina have to be given a consistent run. But look at Suresh Raina's numbers and you would know probably he should be fighting for his place in this playing 11, especially in the one-dayers, if you look at his numbers in last few innings. So it remains a worry.
Right.
Now the big question remains, Gautam Gambhir has been...
Well, Gautam Gambhir still missing out on a century, but then you have to call Dhoni the cricketing Buddha, isn't it? Calm as ever, ready to finish the game, ensuring that India doesn't end up on the losing side.